We have got many calls, many inquiries, whether this was true or not. But of course, there is no truth to it at all. It's just the handiwork of mischievous people who want to cause disaffection, dissatisfaction in the country. We know that Nigeria has been passing through challenging times in the past couple of weeks, particularly due to security challenges. Now they have added disinformation to it. Transportation Minister was said to have been attacked at Rigasa in Kaduna. He has denied it. The Air Force was alleged to have killed 250 insurgents. They have denied it. Zara, the daughter of the president, was said to have got a job through the back door as a deputy manager at the Petroleum Products Pricing Regulatory Agency. There is no truth to it. Merchants of falsehood are on the prowl, and they don't mean our country any good. People who are designing should please note that they are out for disaffection, and be careful. Be careful what you accept, be careful the information you consume, and then the information you share.